Come and join me, please. Come on, baby. Hey guys, welcome again. Today I am going to do unboxing. Guys, I'm going to unbox my juice extractor. So guys, this is my Kenwood juice extractor. Alright. I'm so excited. Yay! Let's get the juice out. The juice extractor out. Oh. Alright. So let me keep reading this here. Alright, so I have the leaflet. Okay. So how are we gonna set this? Okay, so this are all brand new. Do you have idea how it works? Okay. Yeah, I guess it's like this.
No. Oh yes.
I am struggling to.
Wait.
Yeah. Thank you. So what's the next one? Hold on. Okay.
Yes, that's.
So we'll put this one here. Come on, this one goes here. We're supposed to first of all. Okay. I think this one is the juice and.
How are we only
And this one.
the juice?
I'm just gonna fill in this here. Okay. That's it. You're just lucky and so this is how we do. So this is the mouth. Alright, we're gonna see how this works. Right. So guys, it's time to cut out the pineapples to see how to try it on our juice extractor. Alright, okay.